It's never a good idea to install the beta software or developer's beta on your main iPhone. But if you're curious on what the iOS 27 is all about, I'm gonna download it and install it on this phone and show you everything that's coming in iOS 27 so you don't have to install it on your own phone. So I'm gonna install it or rather if you want to install it, go to settings. Under settings, go to general, tap on that. And then under general, first check your iPhone storage situation. So just basically see how much storage space you have on your phone. And if you have enough storage space, you can now go back and go to software update. Now, you will see automatic updates and also beta updates. Now, if you have beta updates off, you'll need to turn them on and then give it a couple of moments. And then when you come back, you will see the iOS 27 beta available for you. Now this will take 37.52 gigs of your storage space. So if you have enough of that storage space, just go ahead and tap on update now. It's going to ask for your passcode. And once you enter the correct passcode, it's going to initiate the process of downloading. So of course, you're going to have to read the terms and conditions and then agree. And then it's going to request the update. In a couple of moments, it's going to get downloaded and installed. So just make sure you keep your phone connected to the internet. And if you're running low on battery, make sure it's getting charged and just wait for the update to complete. So mine is saying 27 minutes remaining. So like I said, just give it time. With the update complete, now all you have to do is unlock your phone and you should be welcomed to iOS 27. Again, there's going to be terms and conditions which you have to read and eventually agree. And of course, you might be prompted to set up Apple Pay, which I'll do later. So I'll just select set up later. And the rest of the stuff, just hit continue. And then of course, there's going to be a little tutorial with the new features of iOS 27, including things like image playground. So I'm going to be making tutorials on this. So I'll just tap on next. You can see reframe or expand your shot, all that stuff. You have liquid glass, continue. And now you're officially welcomed to iOS 27. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.